I have this 8x10 board. You can pick it up at Lowe's or you can pick them up at Hobby Lobby. And I'm drawing out a snowman with a top hat. I'm just using a chalk pencil and I'm just placing his eyes and his nose. I'm putting a scarf and a wreath in his hands. And I'm going to start by using our smoky quartz at the top. I'm using a chip brush. You can get these right at a hardware store. And I'm adding a little water and then mixing in some white. And then I do this pouncing motion to kind of give you that snowy textured vibe. And I'm just kind of going around the image. Then I'm going to take black and I'm going to start filling in the hat. Then I'm going to take some white and outline that rim and add some snow at the top of his hat. And it's just giving that little dip in the top of his hat. I'm then filling in the face with some more white. I can still vaguely see my pencil markings. And I'm going to fill in my nose with mandarina. And I'm just going to make black dots with my brush for the eyes and the mouth. I'm going to fill in the Republic red for the scarf. And then I'm going to go in with some black and just outline while my Republic red is still wet. And it's just going to kind of give me that shading that I need to start kind of giving shape to my scarf. I'm going to go in with some Charleston green in the wreath and the Republic red in the mitt. And then I'm going to go in with some Spanish moss using that chip brush and that dabbing motion. And then after that, I'm going to go in with some more Charleston green. And that chip brush is just giving me that imperfect edge like you would see in a wreath. I'm going to take the black into the mitts of the hands, and that's going to give me my shape in the thumb area and some shading. And then I'm going to take this dabber from the Dollar Tree and make these red round dots on my wreath. I'm just going to put a little white shimmer in each of them with an art brush. I'm going to put a snowflake on my snowman's mittens. And then I'm going to add some stripes on the scarf using a fine art brush. I'm going to take some of that black and start making a shape out of his face on the outer portion of his body, and the interior of the wreath. The shading is just going to give some depth and dimension. And then I'm doing the shading with the black on the bottom portion. Again, giving shape to his body. Just adding a little bit of black to that already wet white. Then I'm taking a chip brush with the white and kind of going through the hat and my wreath to give that snow effect. Now I'm doing some holly branches, the holly leaves on his hat. I'm doing 3 of them, going back and forth with my Charleston green and white. And then I'm going to use a dabber for the holly berries. And then I found these snowflakes. They were just ornaments. I sprayed them in the shortcut silver. And then I found this Jingle All the Way sign at the Dollar Tree and removed the lettering. And I'm going to glue it to the bottom of my board. I'm going to glue the snowflakes to the top of my board. I'm using E6000 and some hot glue. And then I'm going to make these X's in my red dots and create the jingle bells on the wreath. and you kind of create an X and you put dots on either end and in the center. I put a jingle bell on the eye, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.